Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Then select the date and time. And now you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off by tapping on this icon and then select the date and time manually by yourself. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, also the same way by tapping on this switcher, and then you can select the region and time zone manually by yourself. You can also change the format of your clock. You can either have the 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, so to automatic date, time, time zone and also automatic 24-hour format clock, simply tap on those switchers one more time. That's it. This is how you can change date and time on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.